In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Wix. Whether you're running an online store or providing services, integrating these two platforms can streamline your payment processes and enhance your business capabilities. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to wix.com. Simply open your web browser and type in wix.com to access your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all the key navigation options you'll need. Look for the section labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings for your website. Now that you're in the settings, we want to focus on the area that handles payments. Look for Accept Payments and click on that. This is where you'll manage and configure how you receive payments through your Wix site. It's important to get familiar with this page as it's central to adding and managing your payment gateways. On this page, you'll see the payment options currently available or connected to your site. To expand your choices, click on See More Payment Options. This will bring up a list of additional payment gateways that you can integrate with your site. Here you'll want to look for Square, your target payment system for integration. Once you've located Square from the list, you'll see an option to connect. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial as it sets up the initial link between your Wix site and your Square account. After clicking connect, you might be prompted to finalize a few details to ensure the systems talk to each other smoothly. You'll likely need to log into your Square account if you're not already signed in. Enter your credentials to proceed. After you successfully log in, your Square account will typically ask for some permissions to allow Wix to access certain information. This is a standard procedure when linking accounts between platforms, ensuring both systems have the necessary permissions to function efficiently together. Once you're signed in and permissions are granted, click on Continue. At this stage, you should see a confirmation that Square is now connected to your Wix site. This means that your site is ready to process payments via Square, allowing you to accept secure and convenient transactions from your customers. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Square with your Wix site. From here on, you can manage your payment settings further to suit your business needs. Remember, keeping your payment methods up to date is crucial for a seamless customer experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. For any questions or further assistance, feel free to check out additional resources or reach out to support.